Hi, this is Erin from Dawn's Appliances, and today we're going to talk about one of the most innovative dryers that we have. Before we get started on the actual dryer itself, we're going to start with the washer. Why, you may ask? Well, because of this cycle right here. It is called the one-step wash and dry. And what the point of it is if you have a small load, and I like to use the example of kids' jerseys or any kind of workout material, and the kids have a game the next day, throw it in the washer and it will be able to wash and dry all in one. So what's really nice about that is right here actually has a built-in vent system. So you kind of see on the door right here, a little bit of like a kind of an explanation about what's going on, but it actually has that fan dry. Now again, this is not a heated dry element in your washer, so it is going to be a complete air dry function. But that's all you have to do. You throw it in, do your normal, kind of load itself, click this one-step wash and dry, and it's going to be able to do it all for you. But again, I like to preface, this is for small loads only. If you think that's going to be able to do an entire load of towels, it's not. But now let's really get started on the dryer itself. So this right here is the dryer. This is the GFD85 by GE. And one thing that I really like about it, like for starters, is just the capacity. Look how big that dryer is. It has a large lint catcher right here, which is perfect when you have a big load of towels or anything that's going to be kind of, getting a lot of lint off of that. And now we're going to talk about what some of the biggest features that I find are probably one of the most important on this dryer. So for starters, you have your basic cycles anywhere from like your cottons, your towels, all the way over to your delicates and your perm press. But if you look right here at this little icon, which is for Wi-Fi, it's called Washer Link. And what this does is actually going to connect your washer cycle that you just did to your dryer wirelessly. So it kind of takes out any guesswork that you need. The second thing is over here, anytime you see kind of like a Wi-Fi little alert right there, that's also going to kind of give you an update on your phone if you download the app when your clothes are kind of getting to the point that they're going to be completely done. So if it still senses that it's damp, it's not going to send that alert until it's getting to the point where it's already going to start going through that air dry and kind of that final cycle. And then of course, one of my personal favorite features that this dryer has is steam. We've talked about steam a lot, and on this cycle you have everything from steam with your kind of your larger loads for wrinkle or your smaller loads for refresh. Steam is just kind of taking out, any kind of wrinkles, especially I like to say fitted sheets. The worst part is when you take out a fitted sheet and it kind of all twisted and turned, it's actually going to help refresh that so you don't have to worry about too many wrinkles. You can put it directly on the bed and you're good to go. But the refresh is really nice, so if anything, kind of holds in a lot of odor, workout clothes, things like that, that refresh is going to actually help open up the fibers a little bit to help release that. And then last but not least, you have everything from Eco Dry, Wrinkle Care, Air Fluff, and the traditional kind of, delayed dry, and really kind of everything you need. I think this washer really has it's an all-in-one, really innovative dryer that we carry, and I really hope that you guys come in and kind of take a look at it. Some really cool colors. I'm a big fan of this blue right here, but it also comes in the traditional white as well. So if you have any questions, stop by to one of our 11 showrooms, take a look for yourself, and we're here to help you in any way we can.